Hi guys, today is Wednesday, so it's hump day. I just finished editing some videos for my team page I was telling you guys about, or my potential page I was telling you guys about. I'm about to put up our dinner, put in the refrigerator, get Taylor's snack ready for tomorrow. Cam, Taylor, and CJ are all asleep. It's 11:30. So tomorrow I have to go to Taylor's school to be the mystery reader. So basically I went to pick her up from school today and she was like, "Mommy, I thought you were gonna surprise me and be the mystery reader today." And I'm like, how does she know that? Because I'm actually supposed to be the mystery reader for this month. I was like, hold on, did someone else, do it? I said, who did it? And she was like, the head person over the school did it or whatever. And I'm like, okay. So I called the teacher and she was like, well, you can come tomorrow to do it. So I asked her, I was like, so if I ever do it, like, what would you want me to read? And she was like, she wanted me to read this book called Stephanie's Ponytail, but it's a little negative. Basically it's about a little girl who goes to school with a ponytail, and then the kids keep calling her hair ugly, and she's like, it's my hair and I like it. And then they keep copying off of the hairstyle that they call ugly. I just feel like, with the bullying and pettiness that goes on in these kids' schools now, I ain't got time. So I was like, I won't be a part of that. I'm not gonna be the mom that reads that book. So she wants to read The Bear Snores On. I need to read it to make sure, see what it's about. And then I'll take a Christmas book option too, just in case when I get there she changes her mind and she wants me to read a Christmas book. They're working on letter C this week anyway, and Christmas starts with C, so I don't know. But that's what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. So I'll see if I can take you guys. I don't know, how schools are with cameras and taking pics of kids that's not yours and stuff. I don't know if you can do that, but yeah, today was a productive day. I'm about to go wash my face. I'm having some breakouts because I left my facial soap that I've been using. I left it at the gym, and I guess they threw it away because y'all know I don't know if y'all know, but I've been taking showers at the gym after I work out instead of coming home. Okay, what I was doing at first was coming home, rushing to get in the shower, then literally having like 30 minutes to take my shower and go get Taylor. Like, to leave the house and go get Taylor from school. Mind you, I have Cam, so I'm trying to make him go to sleep so I can take a shower without, him being all over the place and stuff. So that was like very crazy. Or like if he woke up, I would like it was just crazy. So I just was like, you know what, I'm gonna start packing my bag and taking my shower at the gym. Best decision I ever made in my life. I can take my time, somebody's watching him, like, best decision I've ever made in my life. I've even washed my hair at the gym. The water doesn't get cold. Best decision ever. But anyway, so I left my facial soap at the gym. I guess they threw it away, so I had to buy some more. Won't be doing that anymore. But I have a breakout, and then it's also that time, so my face is breaking out. You guys are probably like, it doesn't even look that bad, but to me, this one right here, I have to get this one gone. I'm gonna use my exfoliate and peel, keep it on for about 10 minutes, take it off. It's gonna be dry right on up tomorrow. So that's what I'm about to do. I am going to be doing a skincare routine because I kept getting questions about that on Instagram. I want to show you guys these new products that we just came out with because y'all, the results that people have been getting already are insane. Do you hear me? I'm going to show you guys some pictures of the results that people have been getting, but we partner with Dr. Nassif. If you guys are not familiar with him, he's one of the surgeons on Botched. His wife is on Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Y'all know I don't watch TV, so I don't know. He's a very popular surgeon, and he came out with, well, he partnered with us, and together we came out with 3 products. And like I said, the results are amazing. The products are clinically proven. The ingredients are clinically proven to do what they're supposed to do. So we have, hold on, I'm about to run out of space. All right, so really quick. So this one is illuminating facial pads, and I'm actually about to use this now because I did not feel like washing this makeup off my face, and I believe that it can be used as makeup wipes, but it also, the reason why I got it is because it helps with like blemishes and stuff like that, which I told you guys I had some breakouts from that time of the month, and I want to get those blemishes gone. This one is another product that I'm so excited about, the lash and brow serum. So I don't have any issues with my eyebrows right now, but we've all had those struggle eyebrows before. If not recently, then back in the day when we all had the Christmas hook eyebrows when they were super skinny. Y'all remember those days. So this is clinically proven to make your lashes stronger and longer and appear thicker. So I'm excited to use this too consistently. And then y'all, this is the one like I was telling you guys about. You can use this on your jaw. This is a the firming neck treatment. You can use it on your jawline. You can use it on your neck and on your chest area. I know a lot of people who need this, so I'm excited to help people with this product because the results that I've been seeing are literally blowing my mind. Like I'm about to start slapping people. Like it's crazy. So like I said, I'm gonna show you guys the results. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put this food up so I can go to bed. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. It's on. Talk to them.
Hi guys, my name is Taylor. Today
They know your name. Crazy.
That's my baby brother, crazy, and I couldn't even see him other eye right here. All you can see him one eye. But guys, guess what? I'm going to school. Well, I couldn't have a ponytail. Is that wrong? But is that wrong? Not sure anymore. Because that's why my mom did my ponytail long, because it's not short. So if it be short, like this, I can't really see. My hair will be crazy.
You got food in your hair. Stop.
Okay.
It's about to die. And you about to get out. You gotta get out now. Hey guys, so I just got to Taylor's school. I'm the mystery reader for today. She is gonna be so excited. I have 2 books. I have this one and I have this one. This is her favorite book. I think she's gonna want me to read this one, but we'll see. So she's gonna be so excited. I'm gonna see if I can get it on camera. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. All right, y'all, we just finished reading in Taylor's class. It was so much fun, right, Nani? Well, did mommy surprise you? Tell them about it.
My mom was reading at me. And
reading to you?
Yes, and my friend.
And what did you say the kids said? They were like, what?
They was like...
Move the bottle so I can hear you.
They was like, what did I say again?
When you were like, did she tell you to guess who the mystery reader was?
Yeah.
And what did the kids say?
It may be my mom, and it may be my dad or my mom, and it says my mommy. It's not your mom, my mommy. I know it's my mommy.
How did you know, Taylor?
Guys?
You didn't know because you were surprised. I'm gonna put a clip right here of her being surprised that it was me. Right there. Alright, so CJ's at home with Camden. I got away from the little munchkin. He probably knocked out sleep. He always go to sleep with CJ. But let me try to get him to go to sleep. He will not. CJ wants something to eat now, so I guess I'm gonna stop and get him something to eat and then go home. Hello, you guys. Today is what, Sunday?
Yes, sir.
It's bright out here. I got some shades.
You ain't got no shades in this room, so stop playing.
It's bright. Y'all see this?
Nah, they can't see what we see.
They can see like the brightness on our face.
They can't see what we see, shorty.
Babe, stop playing with me. Anyway, we are on our way to Big Lots to look at these fireplaces to see if we like them. Now, my mom said she saw some bomb fireplaces there.
Cloud chasing.
Oh my gosh, she's so corny. Y'all, he be trying to be hip. But he's so corny. Oh, there we go. There go the lighting. I did not comb my hair down yet. I just took my shower and got dressed and everything and just ate breakfast, and I'm about to go look. Today we have Taylor's recital, so you guys will also be joining us on that. I have to charge the battery up because I'm gonna be sick if I get there and my battery is low. Do you think we're gonna find a fireplace that we like, babe?
Babe, I don't even care about the fireplace. You the only one that's stuck on getting the fireplace.
I've been wanting one since how long, babe?
Since our old house.
Yes, I would like look them up online and stuff.
But she's not even gonna use it like that.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
I really get like pressed for one
Like,
during the holidays.
She act like she gonna like
Yes, I
get a
am.
blanket and
Yes,
some
I am.
hot tea and lay in the floor with that joint.
Not in the
front of the
Why do you feel like
fireplace.
we gotta lay on the floor? People don't lay on the floor.
She trying to get on some movie stuff.
Anyway. We got some paper, some lights for outside. Just no fireplace. I didn't like it. And the one that we had was too tall. The one that we saw was too tall. There you go.
Like, yo, I'm so weak at this girl right now. Cause we talking about network marketing and everything like that. So this girl talking about, she remember when Walmart first came out. Like, cut it out, man. You really cloud chasing for real. Dude, you do not remember that.
I do remember.
When it first came out, Walmart.
Yes.
Dude,
Yes.
we the same age and I don't remember that. As far as, I mean, ever since I've been alive, Walmart's always been here.
I'm trying to Google it. No, it has not. Y'all, I remember being little. Maybe it was the first time I heard about it. But anyway, the reason why we started talking about this was because I always tell CJ, like, everything is sales. Everything is, like, based off of who you know, network marketing and stuff. So, like, even daycares, like, the daycare cannot operate if they don't get a certain number of people there. Even, like, my old jobs when I worked in foster care, if I didn't have a certain amount of clients, I could lose my job, for real.
They understand that, but we talking about you
same
was here
thing.
when Walmart was founded or when it first came out.
I always tell CJ it's the same thing in my business. I was saying it's the same thing with Walmart. Like, you first learned about Walmart and then you start telling other people, like, did you go to Walmart? Have you seen this store at Walmart?
But you weren't out there
and
doing
then you
that.
start going.
You
I
can't-
wasn't,
you
but
can't
my
you can't even
aunt
talk.
was.
You was still the goo goo gaga.
You know my name.
Like, you can't
I'm
even
about to ask
talk.
my sister. My sister's in the house.
Like, you can't even talk. Like, come on, man.
Man, go ahead. I'm trying to really find
Like,
out.
you
this.
wildin'. You wildin' for real.
Here we go. Maybe they just changed the logo.
Nah, man, 'cause you know you messed up with
I
that.
don't know. I messed up, y'all.
You know you didn't.
I messed up.
Just admit it.
But what happened was they changed the logo in 1992, and that's probably the one I remember. This one right here.
You don't remember that either. Stop.
The one with the star in the middle, yes I do.
Stop.
Like Wall Star Mart. Then they just fused the two together, I see. What was the point of ever putting the star right there? I did not know it was this old. Walmart started in 1962. Did y'all know that? I didn't. Anyway. This isn't sponsored by Walmart, so let's stop talking about it. job, boo-boo.
I gotta get a picture of you.
Taylor, the guy.
So nice.
Oh, that's cute.
All the children come to your group to reconnect.
Let me take a picture of you with your makeup on. Let me see. One, look at me, look at me. Alright.
And here at American Family.
Oh, your makeup looks awesome.
Young ladies and gentlemen,